guys, welcome to the Data Education Project video tutorial series for the Kotlin programming for Android. And in this session number 0 we are going to learn how to install the IDE for the Kotlin programming. This is a new programming which is developed and created by the JetBrains, and here is the JetBrains site. You can go for the jetbrains.com, and in this jetbrains.com you can see different kinds of the IDEs for app code, C-line, Ruby, but we are going for the IntelliJ IDE, and this IntelliJ IDE have the following things, and you are going to download it. And this is very new programming series for the one of the modern cross-platform Kotlin programming, and which will supersede the Java programming in the near future. So I am just going to download it. You can download it by clicking on it. Since I already downloaded this folder from here, you can download this from our website too, darsoft.org, and here you can just download community. This will be the free, and open source, this will be the free trial version. I downloaded the community versions for Java, Groovy, Scala and other things. And just for that, in open source and in the sense what is in and what is not present in the community and open source, we are going to learn Java and Kotlin, since Kotlin is available in both commercial and open source. So it will be very nice for us to get the free open source application from this site here. Since I already downloaded the package here, IDEA C2017.354, you just click on it and it will start implementing and verifying the installer for the IntelliJ IDE. Okay, now just go for yes, and it will start installer. Welcome to IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition setup. Just go for the next one. This will choose install locations. Just go for the same thing. It will take 828.9 MB space required. Okay, now you will get 64-bit launcher, and since we create accessions as associations with Java and .kt, KT is for the extension of the Kotlin, and download GRE for by JetBrains. It's up to you that whether you want to install Java runtime environment. If you already have Java installed on your computer, then you don't need for that, but if it's okay, then download it all. Just go for install, then click installation. It will take some time for connecting and implementing and downloading the installations. I am just pausing the video, so just for saving the time. Okay, now the installation was completing, and you will get this message, and just go for finish here. Just wait for a few seconds that the IDE integrated development environment will start work. Okay, if you already installed the IntelliJ IDEA before, then you need to custom location, but we are going for do not import settings, so we are just go for the OK here, and it will give us the two options for the okay. We are going to accept the license. First of all, we are going to accept it, and just reaching out, and just click on the accept options. Then send anonymous user status for JetBrains, then click OK. Okay, you have two types of themes. One is the IntelliJ, and the other is the Dracula. We are selecting IntelliJ. And next, default plugins. Here are the different kinds of the plugins are available. and we are just checking all of these things. And next, here you can I either want to enable any kind of installation for the Vim IDE's features, trainers and Scala, but we are going for start using IntelliJ IDEA here. So it will automatically install all the features. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. In the next video we are going to learn how to create the first Kotlin program in this IDE. Thank you very much, and Allah Hafiz.